Now, what does it represent? Let me tell you. The real gas generally have lesser volume as compared to the
So we have
ideal
done
gas.
the real gas, but not the Van der Waal, I think.
Van der Waal equation is only an equation, and that equation is this. Let me show you. P real, this is the equation. Please just see. We'll be doing some questions based on this equation today. This is P real plus an square by v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT. In these, P real is the pressure of the real gas. A is the A and B are the
Van der Waal constant.
Van der Waal constants. Okay. Let's do one thing. I'll make you write its significance. A and B significance. Okay. If you have not written, please give a heading Van der Waal equation. Please just check. Have you given a heading Van der Waal equation before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write this equation, and I am telling you its significance. A and B, significance of A and B, that is important part. Let me tell you that. Just a moment. Okay. I hope you have written Van der Waals equation. P real plus an square by v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT. Now I am telling you significance. Please give a heading. Significance of Van der Waal constants A and B. Please put this heading. Significance of Van der Waal constants A and B. Please write it. Now,
So my school is reopening.
Acha, that is good. That is great.
So that is bad.
But you see, this COVID situation is worsening. From what I hear, people are getting.
The classes will be online, but we have an half yearly exam coming up just after we have Puja vacation. I don't know what you all have from October, from 15th or 16th October. After that, we have our mid-semester exam of 100 marks. So
Acha. So you will not be actually going to the school physically. That's right. Only
yeah,
online classes.
but the exam will be conducted physically.
Acha. Sure. They will have no means to conduct the exams because this COVID situation is worsening so badly that they cannot dare to open the schools. And even if they, then
They had conducted online exam till now, but the exam could not be taken long, like for 80 marks
yeah.
exam. It could be only taken of 40 marks, 50 marks, like that.
Yes,
So
only objective exams.
yes.
Sir,
Okay. Yes,
sir, in my
Utkarsh?
school, sir, we are having paper of 80 marks, 40 of MCQ and 40 of subjective, sir.
40 of MCQ and 40 of subjective. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And your syllabus is still chemical bonding, yes? No, states of matter is also coming.
Yes, sir. But, sir,
Okay.
actually, sir, our chemistry teacher was thinking that he will only teach us PV is equal to nRT. Only that much will be included in our syllabus.
Of course, they will include only that one because it's also not a joke that you finish this chapter so early and then take an exam because this chapter is also a little bit complicated. Although I say it is easy, but it is a little bit complicated. Not to mention thermodynamics and ionic equilibrium are much more complicated. Okay, let's get back to the significance of van der Waal constants A and B. Please write A first, A, and please copy this. Please copy this para. A and B. Just copy this. See, A is written, this is the measure of the magnitude of attractive forces between the molecules of the gas. So I have told you before in the previous class that A is sort of the negative pressure. Why negative pressure? Because it reduces the pressure. The factor of A is such that it reduces the pressure. How is it reducing the pressure? Because it is the attractive force between the two molecules of the gas. Then it says for the two gases having B, one having higher value of A, and this is important, one having higher value of A will be more compressible, easily liquefiable, occupies less volume under similar conditions. Now you can imagine that if you have a high value of A, try to think, if you have high value of A, there will be more attraction between the two given molecules. And if there will be more attraction, then what's going to happen? Then their volume will be less. Why? Because the attraction is more. Two molecules are more closer to each other. And also more liquefiable and easily liquefiable. Why? Because when you liquefy a gas, you basically bring their molecules closer. So if the A is already very high, then the molecules are tend to become closer to each other. Okay, so that is the significance of A. It is very important.
So done.
You
Sir,
have
do
written
we have to
B as
write
well?
B?
Yes, you
No,
have to write B. Yes, please write B.
So done.
Niranjan written both A and B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After writing A, please go to B. Please see what is B. B, try to remember what we saw. B is the total volume of the gas molecules collected together. You collect all the gas molecules together and then reduce its volume, minus its volume from the total volume. So the significance of B says that the co-volume, excluded volume, co-volume or excluded volume per mole of gas, then it is a measure of effective size of gas molecules. So that we know that B represents the volume of 1 mole of gases. Then it says for two gases having same value of A but different values of B, one having higher value of B will be less compressible. So higher value of B will be less compressible. Why? Because if there is a scenario in which the gas molecules are already taking a huge amount of space of the volume, how much can you compress? You cannot compress. You can compare that situation, this situation, to another situation wherein a room is given, and in that room there are 10 people. Two rooms are there, case 1 and case 2, or room 1 and room 2. Room 1 is having thin guys, all thin boys, thin guys, 10 thin guys. Room 2 is having 10 boys, but those are very fat boys. Okay, so which would you see more compressible, or which can you collect in a very, very small space? Compressible means which you can collect in a very, very small space. So higher the molecule size, bigger the molecules, less would be the compressibility. Please write it down. Let me know if you have a problem in understanding significance of A and B.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Charan, have you understood A and B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And written also A and B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I suppose everybody has written A and B, and we can move forward
Yes,
with
sir.
us with some of the questions regarding the van der Waal equation. Okay. Let me give you some questions regarding the van der Waal equation. Okay, the questions regarding the van der Waal equation are easy, are not very tough. Okay, like here is a question. Please write a question. Start writing. It's a very simple question. Using van der Waal equation, calculate the constant. Calculate the constant A when 2 moles of a gas.
So if A is a constant, then it has a fixed value for everything, right? So,
Every what? Every
sir, if A is a constant, then it has a fixed value for every case.
yes, for every gas it is having a fixed
So
value.
then
That
the
is
value
true.
of A would always be 6.52.
Value of A. I suppose there is also the variation with the pressure, variation with temperature or something. But I'll have to check that. I'll have to check its variation actually. Okay. But let's just for now try to this question. Although a very, very simple question, I just want to show you the application of this formula, van der Waal equation. Okay. Just copy this question. Using van der Waals equation, calculate the constant A when 2 moles of a gas confined in a 4-liter flask exerts a pressure of 11 atm at a particular temperature of 300 Kelvin. The value of B is given to be,
Is N equal to 2 given?
let's read the question. Using van der Waal equation, calculate the concentration. Yes, 2 moles of a gas is given. Please read. 2 moles of a gas. Yes. 2 moles
Oh,
of a
yeah.
gas. Yes. It is given. Do this question. Very, very simple question. Only to show you um, how we solve the questions from this van der Waals equation. Okay. And then we'll go to compressibility. It is a good topic. There are two Charans, T Charans present now.
The one without the video is without the volume is the without the mic on. That
Nikhil, please remove him.
Sir, that fellow joined same name.
So is waiting room not here present?
No, sir, it is present. Only thing is that in between I left the meeting because of internet issues. So I guess he joined then.
Acha. Wow. Okay, let me know when you have done the question.
so done.
Okay, okay. Utkarsh, understood?
Sir, I am getting the value of A as 461.
That I think cannot be possible. Why? Because the solution is right in front of you, isn't it? Just copy the solution and then try to recalculate it. You must have done some mistake. So everybody done? Should we move forward, Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
All right, moving forward. Now, please mark a different heading, give a different heading, and that heading is compressibility factor Z. Also, please copy this. The actual volume of a real gas, which we observe for real gas, is generally less as compared to the volume calculated, treating it as the ideal. Just copy it. So what I'm trying to say here or try to explain is that there are two different volumes. When you are reading a real gas, then there are two different volumes. So one is the ideal volume, and that ideal volume is calculated. Yes.
Sir, I am getting the value of A as 612.8.
612. Actually, let's ask from other people as well. Is somebody, are you also people getting some different values than 6.52?
Have you taken the value of R as 0.08?
No, 0.821.
My God, child, you are making the mistake. It is 0.08. Please correct the
Okay.
value of R. Okay. And then try to do it. Try to do it after the class. Don't attempt it
I
right
know
now.
what
Okay.
people make mistakes because I do the same mistakes.
Yeah, it is a silly mistake. So there is no need to worry about that. It will go away with the time. Okay. These are silly mistakes. You need not worry about that. Okay. Please focus here on compressibility factor. This is important. So what I was telling you people was that there are two different types of volumes. One is the ideal volume. That ideal volume is calculated by the formula PV is equal to nRT. In PV is equal to nRT, what you do is you put the pressure, you put temperature, you put moles, value of R, and you get a value of V. But that volume is calculated assuming the gas to be ideal. And actually it might not be true. Okay. So that volume is known as ideal volume. For 1 mole, it is known as ideal molar volume or calculated volume. Okay. Now, the second volume. Second volume is the real volume. Real volume is basically the observed volume. What we really see. If there is a gas present in front of us, and most gases are real gases, there are very less ideal gases which are present. Mostly all gases are real. Ideal is only we assume that gas to be ideal. And what the volume we observe, we take it to be ideal. Okay, so Z is the ratio of V real by V ideal. Okay. So please copy till this. Z is equal to V real by V ideal. Have you copied it till here?
No, sir.
Please do. Please do. Please copy till here. Till here. Write this, this, and this. We'll move forward. There is some very interesting graph related to this topic, compressibility. Charan and Nikhil, when is your next test in FITG?
Sir.
Saturday.
When? Acha, this Saturday. Acha, what is the syllabus?
Sir, they will tell on Thursday.
What is this?
Yes,
Every
sir,
month
they
they
do.
will tell you.
Acha, they are taking tests on every Saturday.
Yes, sir.
They will tell on Thursday and test will be on Saturday.
Very good. So, what was the syllabus of the test which was taken on this Thursday, which just went? Sorry, Saturday.
Chemical bonding, VSCPR, and till
Acha.
hydrogen bonding.
Acha. Please tell me your marks then. Come on, Nikhil, your marks.
Sir, we didn't get it yet.
Acha. So, okay. All right. Okay, please. Have you done till here? The ideal. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move forward. Now, please see. I am doing a substitution. V ideal, the value of V ideal can easily be substituted using the ideal gas equation. What is the ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. For N is equal to 1 mole, N is equal to 1 mole. I can say P into V ideal is equal to RT. Then I can say V ideal is equal to RT by P. Please see, is that correct till here? All right. Z is equal to V real by RT by P. I can substitute that. And also Z is equal to this P will eventually then go in the numerator. That is very easy. So Z is equal to V real into P divided by RT. Okay. So this is a very good relation which we use. Okay. So it is very similar to the ideal gas equation. The real gas equation, one equation is also this. PV real is equal to ZRT. Okay. For 1 mole. Okay, this is for 1 mole. But if for n moles, this is given for n moles, then what you are going to say, P into V real is equal to Z into nRT. Okay. Just write this equations as well. Let me know if there is a problem here.
So what is a molar volume?
Molar volume means volume of 1 mole.
Oh.
Volume of 1 mole is known as molar volume. Let me know.
Sir, here Z is atomic number.
No. Z is compressibility factor.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Z is compressibility factor, and also Z is for normal pressures, it is always less than 1. For normal pressures, Z is usually less than 1. Why? Because real volume is generally less than the ideal volume. Generally, not always, but generally. So V real, when it is less, numerator is less, denominator is more, then Z will be always less than 1 generally. Okay, we are going to discuss a curve. You are going to learn all about it. I hope you have done till here. Yes.
So can you
Okay.
scroll up just a little?
Yeah. Okay. Is it visible now? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do this. Please do this. Let me know when you have done. Yes, done. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now, please see. What we are going to do is we are going to study the graph for compressibility factor Z. Okay. You just copy this one. Please write subpart 1 and please write for all Z is equal to 1 for all ideal gases at all temperatures and pressures, and just draw this graph. Okay, just do this part and the meeting is about to end. Then we'll restart the meeting and go towards the second part. Just do this. Please copy.
So done.
Done, sir.
Yes, everybody has done. Should we restart the meeting?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's restart the meeting.